in the public transport system. It is all set to become a metro city. This will bring a massive boost to the state's economy and help citizens to commute easily. Foreign investment and companies are eyeing the opportunity of setting up their manufacturing units in the city, which will help in empowering youth by creating employment. Bhopal Metro is an under-construction rapid transit system intended to serve the city of Bhopal. The total system consists of 2 corridors covering a distance of around 28 kilometers. The metro will run on 3 mediums: on road, on bridges, and also underground in some locations. The project is expected to be completed by 2026. D.B.L is helming the responsibility of designing and construction of elevated viaduct of length 6.225 kilometers between Ames and Subhash Nagar. This will be called as the Purple Line, including entry and exit to depot for Bhopal Metro Rail Project Phase 1. The prestigious project has a worth of rupees 247 crores and was awarded by Madhya Pradesh Metro Rail Corporation Limited, Bhopal. The project is expected to be completed in the next 27 months. D.B.L is resolute to build the best infrastructure with sustainable and economical materials. D.B.L is committed to the safety of its employees and workers. Special emphasis is laid on training workers and employees to use each and every safety measure and precautions while at work. Special gears, helmet, equipment, and tools have been given to on-site workers so that their safety at work is ensured. D.B.L is a synonymous to quality, durability, and sustainability. Our engineers keep rigorous follow-ups of timelines, surveys, and checks. Special emphasis is laid on quality control. Best quality material is used in casting yards, which is used to manufacture boulders, brick, etc. Ensures that high quality material is used in constructions of pillar railway tracks. Strict planning for each project provides considerable time and cost saving. We improve our level of performance at every step, thus empowering our ability to take on projects at any time. D.B.L is made of people who work passionately to help our customers and our nation develop